Hi everybody. This is going to be a brief review of chapter 9. I'm going to touch on major parts, and then you're going to need to do the chapter review, which I have requirements for. All right. So step 1: Israelites start their journey towards Canaan. You can see them pitching tents and see the kind of the cloud of how God is leading them. Step 2: they complain and whine to God about food and drink. God sends manna, quail, provides water. This is just a picture to illustrate that. This is kind of the texture the Bible gives a description of for the manna. Israelites make their way to Mount Sinai, and God makes a covenant with the Israelites. He creates the 10 Commandments for them to obey. Then the Israelites write the commandment by building a golden calf. This is kind of what it looks like here. Finally, after some drama where they go on, the people are punished for the calf making, and they continue on their way. God gives them instructions on building a dwelling place. And the Ark of the Covenant is one of these major parts of this. This is where the 10 stone tablets or the 10 commandment tablets are going to be. And this is what the Ark of the Covenant probably looked like. Moving along, the Israelites find themselves in some trouble again, where they're complaining about food. And God then said, okay, well, here we go. And sends snakes. The Israelites apologize, and God then has Moses make a bronze snake, and then those who had been bitten by the snakes were healed. And finally, at the end of the chapter, we talk about how Moses is old, like super old, and he's going to die, and he is not allowed to make it to the promised land like we talked about. So God selects his replacement, who's Joshua. We talked about a bunch of other things. For example, the numbers. All of those other extra things will be on the test, and you will see them on the study guide. But I just wanted to give a recap of what we've talked about. Make sure you do your chapter review, and I will see you on Monday.